He had nothing, no money, no shop, not even hope. But every morning, before the sun rose, he baked bread and dreamed of a better life. This is the story of a man who baked his way from poverty to purpose. In a small, broken corner of the street, a poor man baked bread on a rusty old stove. His hands were covered in flour, and his eyes in tiredness. People passed by, laughing. "Why work so hard for a few loaves of bread?" they said, but he never replied. Every loaf he baked carried a silent prayer that one day his life would rise just like the dough in his oven. One stormy night, his tiny stall caught fire. Everything he had, his tools, his bread, his savings, turned to ashes. He sat in the rain, broken. For the first time, he thought of quitting. Then, an old woman walked up, drenched and shivering. She said, "I came for your bread. It's the only thing that reminds me of home." That single sentence lit a new fire inside him, stronger than the one that burned his stall. He started again, with nothing but determination. He cleaned the ashes, rebuilt the stall using scraps, and promised himself, "If my bread can bring comfort, I'll bake it till my last breath." This time, he worked not just to survive, but to serve. He gave free bread to hungry children, helped old people, and smiled at every customer. Soon, people started lining up, not for the bread, but for the kindness that came with it. He saved every coin, expanded little by little, and trained others who had no jobs. Years passed, and his small stall became a bakery, then a brand known for warmth, honesty, and heart.